Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna share all the products I received from MyGlam for the month of December and January. So मैं दिसंबर में वीडियो शूट नहीं कर पाई थी, so मैंने सोचा कि दोनों मंथ्स के जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स है वो एक ही बार दिखा देते हैं. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell notification so you'll get notified every time I drop a video. So without any further ado, let's get inside. So for the month of December, I received this box and MyGlam का ये डब्बा है जो कि black color का होता है. So it says live glamorous and that's really very amazing. So for the month of December, I received 4 products and मैंने mostly इनके packaging को फेंक दिया है, outer packaging को, क्योंकि I'm already using it. So the first product is this MyGlam K-Play Strawberry Blush. So this is how the inner packaging looks like, but outer packaging इसकी कुछ इस तरह से होती है. This is the highlighter, I'll come to it later, but outer packaging ऐसी होती है and this is how the blush looks like. So from inside you will get a mirror and then you will get this blush. It's a beautiful strawberry blush and काफ़ी pinky है and I really like this one. I have started using it and this is how it looks. So ये काफ़ी buildable है और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा, this is already very pigmented but I think camera उतना अच्छे से दिखा नहीं पा रहा है, but it's actually very pigmented and I don't think you need a lot of blush. So बहुत कम में आपका बहुत अच्छे से blush हो जाएगा. So this is a nice one and if you want you can definitely go ahead and check it out. So I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box so that you can go ahead and check out all these products. So the second product I have in here is this MyGlam K-Play Rose Highlighter and this is the packaging I was talking about. So blush की भी same packaging थी जो कि मैंने हटा दिया है and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful packaging. यहाँ पे ऐसे fruits बने हुए हैं और ये rangy fruit से inspired है. So blush में भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा सा एक fragrance आता है and that's really very amazing. So इनकी shelf life 3 years है and it's a cardboard packaging and it's for 645 rupees and it's in the shade 02 Pink Rose. So I'll show you how this blush looks like. एंड अंदर ये काफ़ी सिक्योर्ड इसकी पैकेजिंग होती है बिकॉज इसमें मिरर है. सो ऐसे ये फोम की इसकी पैकेजिंग है एंड सेम ब्लश की तरह ये भी ऐसे सेम इसकी इनर पैकेजिंग है एंड यू विल गेट अ मिरर एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. So this blush is this highlighter is actually dark for my skin tone, but it looks good if you are using it as a bronzer. So you can definitely use it as a bronzer. ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा and I like it. It has those shimmer particles because of course it's an highlighter, but I think you can use it as a bronzer because ये bronzer की तरह भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. बहुत खास कोई pigmentation इसमें है भी नहीं. So आप इसको आराम से bronzer के जैसा भी use कर सकते हैं. So the next product we have in here is this MyGlam Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB Foundation. It's in the shade Oak and it's for 995 rupees I believe, but आपको ये भी discount में मिल जाएगा. साथ ही साथ अगर आपने Great Glam survey को fill नहीं करा है, मैं उसकी link description box में डाल दूंगी so that you can get your free lipstick and with that you can also get coupons worth rupees 500. So आपको अच्छे खासे ऑफर्स भी मिल सकते हैं अगर आप ये प्रोडक्ट चेकआउट करना चाहते हैं तो. एंड इट्स एन अमेजिंग फाउंडेशन एंड मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ वीडियो भी बना के रखा है. सो इफ़ यू आर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यू हैव नॉट फॉलोड मी ओवर देयर, गो अहेड फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और वहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा जो भी मैं प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती हूँ. So it's a retractable pencil and this is how the shade looks like. It matches me and I'm very happy that ये अच्छे से मैच कर जाता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द फाउंडेशन स्टिक BB स्टिक लुक्स लाइक. बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज नहीं है तो आप इसे डेली यूज़ में भी लगा सकते हो और बहुत ही नेचुरल लगेगा. So this was the another product. The last product I received for the month of December was this crayon stick and it's MyGlam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon. It's in the shade 006 Terra and I'm actually wearing it right now. So it's a beautiful brown brick shade and मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ये अच्छा लगता है and you can see it's really very amazing और काफ़ी moisturizing है. It's not transfer proof because it's a moisturizing stick. So this is how the shade looks like and I'll give you a proper hand swatch as well. It's also a retractable pencil, so this is how it will go and yeah, काफ़ी अच्छा quantity आपको मिलता है and I'll give you a proper hand swatch. So this is how it looks like. You can see it. I'm already wearing it on my lips and I really love this one. So let me know what you think about this lipstick. So those were all the 4 products I received for the month of December. And coming to the month of January, this is the box and it's quite huge. So for the month of January, I received 5 products. So the first one is this My Glam Glow Iridescent Brightening Body Lotion. It is infused with rosehip oil, vitamin elixir, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. So it's a beautiful product and साथ ही साथ ये शायद उनके luxury range में से भी आता है and it's for 1095, it's for 195 rupees and इसकी भी shelf life 3 years है. So
coming to the actual product, खुल नहीं रहा है, खुल गया. So ये ऐसे इसकी भी कुछ ऐसे foam packaging है just to protect the bottle, and this is how the original product looks like. Look at this beautiful packaging. I mean, I absolutely love this one. And बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत सा इसका एक scent भी है और काफ़ी brightening इसमें shimmer particles भी है. So I'll show you how it looks. इसकी ऐसे pump packaging है and this is how it looks. And ये हल्का पिंकी पिंकी सा भी हो जाता है and I think it's mostly for you if you are going out or if you want something on your body which will kind of give you that shimmer. So ये body highlighter जैसा भी है. So but once you melt it in your skin, it will just go away. So it's quite hydrating and it smells really amazing. I really love this one. It smells so good.
And बहुत कम products होते हैं जिसके smell मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, जिसके scent मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं because my nose is very sensitive, you know. And इसका scent बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. So I really love this one and this was the first product I received. So the next product I have in here is a sheet mask. It's a glow iridescent brightening sheet mask. It's infused with rosehip oil, vitamin elixir. So ये body lotion वाले range का ही है and it has the same products. So this is the sheet mask which I received and it's for 199 rupees and you get one unit and it has 20 ml. So iski bhi shelf life 3 years hai and I haven't used it and I'm very excited to use this one. So I'm definitely gonna make a video when I'll use it and I'll post it on my Instagram. So make sure that you check out my Instagram. So the next 2 products I have in here are from Kill Germs range. So the first one is Kill Germs My Glam Wipe Out Germ Killing Body Lotion. It sanitizes, soothes and moisturizes your skin. It has tea tree oil, cucumber, rose and nutgrass oil. And this product is paraben sulfate toxin free and it contains natural extracts. Okay, so इसकी कोई outer packaging नहीं थी. ये ऐसे ही आया था and इसका sturdy सा cap भी है. So I'll show you how the product looks like. इसकी भी shelf life is for 3 years. And this is the consistency. So काफ़ी light consistency है and ये बहुत easily आपके skin में melt भी हो जाता है and it has quite a fragrance. So it has a fragrance and I'm not used to a lot of fragrance, but let me see. So okay, it fades away. So it will eventually fade away and काफ़ी hydrating सा ये body lotion है and it's for 219 rupees I believe. So yeah, it's for 219 rupees and the shelf life is 3 years. और MyGlam के सारे product में आपको एक QR code भी मिलेगा so that you can scan your product and see if it's original and at the same time आप जो product को scan करोगे आपको उसके बारे में सब चीज़ें पता चल जाएंगी, उनकी पूरी ingredient list और आपको जो जो चीज़ें जानने का मन है वो आप देख सकते हो when you scan the code. So this was another product I received. So the next one is again from the same range. So it's the Kill Germs My Glam Wipe Out Germ Killing Hand Cream. It sanitizes, soothes and moisturizes your skin and it has cinnamon and rosemary oil. So this product is also paraben and sulfate free and it has natural extracts and आपको हर product के पीछे ऐसे QR code भी मिलेगा. So this is for 149 rupees and you get 60 grams of this product. So it's a hand cream and मैंने इसे अभी तक खोला भी नहीं है. So I need to actually open the seal. So this is the hand cream and okay, so they have the same fragrance and it's for 149 rupees. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box, so make sure that you check out the description box. So the last product I received is from their Clean Beauty range, and it's the My Glam Clean Beauty Cocoa Butter Lip and Cheek Pencil. So the lip and cheek pencil is in the shade French Rose, and this is how the product looks like. So it's not a retractable pencil, and I think उन्हें sharpener भी देना चाहिए था, because you need to sharpen this one, and it's a lip and cheek pencil. So you can apply it on your cheeks, and this is how the shade looks like. So it's a beautiful bright pink kind of a shade, and ये काफ़ी सुंदर लगेगा लिप्स पे भी, और साथ ही साथ अगर आपको हल्का सा अपने चीक्स पे लगाना है तो वो वहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. सो आई थिंक मैंने काफ़ी हल्का लगा लिया. So you can easily blend this one and it will look super beautiful. ये काफ़ी natural सा एक प्यारा सा एक blush का काम करेगा. If you want to use it, you can definitely use it in that way, because ये दोनों को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया गया है. So I don't know the price of this one and I have to check it. So it's for 790 rupees, but I think you can get it on discount. So this was the last product I received. So that's it for today. These were all the products I received for the month of December and January, and I hope you found this video interesting. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I'm definitely gonna answer yours. And I'm also gonna leave all the links in the description box, so make sure that you are checking out the description box, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.